take your pillows out right now, okay? We're gonna reposition you a little bit and we're gonna put your head back really far, okay? Brittany, would you mind undoing the trach ties?
Yes.
Then I'm gonna get the trach ready.
Yeah.
We also have our ambu bag, our step down, and all of our extra emergency equipment here with us, like our oxygen. If you wouldn't mind, once you're undone these, you can pull out and then I will place the new trach in.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready on the count of 3?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Hal, we're just gonna move your head a little bit to put those trach ties on. Here, I'll hold on to it if you wouldn't mind doing that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Hal, we're all done. Okay, just gonna lift your head up, bud.